Welcome to the lesson. Alright, in this lesson I am going to show you how you can use the applied steps, which is on the query settings. If you want to see the applied steps, you go to view and you click on query settings. I've removed it. I'm going to put it back again. There you see the applied steps is here. Now if you have used softwares like Photoshop, you would have seen the steps being listed on. So if you want to get to a previous steps, or if you make an error and you want to get back to the previous step, you can always delete a step and get back to the previous screen, so you can redo a particular process. So this is no different. If you look at the applied step, it is basically just the same thing. So if you have loaded your data, as in video 1 and video 2 that I have uploaded, if you have followed these 2 steps, assuming that you have followed these 2 steps, and you are now in the Power Query editor, you will see something like this. If you click on the initial action, that's the source. It shows you where you got your data from. Navigation, it automatically navigates to your table and brings it up. And then it promotes the header or gets the first row of the data set up. Now there's ways to edit the row headers here, but I will show you in later videos. So subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos on this. Alright, so then you can get to the next step, which is change type, where it changes the type of the data. And as in video 2 that I have already loaded, you will see I have removed the column there. Alright, so if you want to get back, I will redo this action, get back to the previous step. So what you do is, if you want to get back to the previous step, you will see a small icon marked X here. It turns to red when you point at it. It's similar to delete. So I'll delete this step. I'm going back to the next step. Now you can see the weight has been returned. Weight column has been returned. So if I remove it again, it goes back, removed columns. But the weight column is there. So if I go back to the previous step, when I loaded the data, you can see, if I follow down, you will see the weight column was there. The next step, which I got to by removing the columns from there, as per the video 2 I've already shown, remove columns. And that gave me the final screen here, which is without the weight column. Now if I load this data back to the Excel window, you will see only this will get in there. The weight column will not be there. So remove columns, I'll delete that, get back to the previous step, delete this again, get back to the previous step. So that's how you do it. And if I remove the columns again, there you go. I have removed the weight column again. You can remove any of these columns. Okay, now the other thing you can do is you can rename a step. Like this step is remove columns, but let me rename it. So I'll just make it more specific. Removed weight column. Okay, so this is weight is the name of the column, so I've removed it now. There you go. And as soon as I press enter, the name has been changed. So that is it. If you do if you go through and process any process in the query editor, you will still get the steps recorded here, and you can look at it, get to a particular step you have worked with, and then you can edit there. Alright, that is it. If you have questions about this, please list the comments below. In the comment section, type your questions. I will personally get back to you. So thank you so much for watching this. Please remind us again, subscribe for more videos on this. I will show you more valuable content, so don't miss out. Thank you.